Hey guys, it's Amanda. There's 3 things that I'm going to tell you how to do here in this video. The first one is I'm going to show you how to correct your gradebook setup to the new scale that we talked about. Second thing I'm going to show you how to do is copy this gradebook setup from your demo class into your classes that got posted on Schoology. And the third thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to rename your courses in Schoology to what we talked about. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is your scale that you need to change your gradebook setup to, just as a reference. I'm going to go ahead and open up my demo course in which I put my gradebook. So I'm going here to my demo course, and I labeled mine just demo class. I saw some of you guys labeled yours 4-point scale class. Just go to wherever you put it. Go to Gradebook. Go to Gradebook Setup. And then we're going to go here and we're going to edit this gradebook. I already went through and did all the editing already in mine, so if you want to just make sure that your scale follows along with this, 4 to 3.6, exceed expectations. 3.5 to 3, meets expectations. If I'm going too quick, please pause the video. 2.9 to 2.5 approaches, 2.4 to 2 begins, and then 1.9 and below is a lack of evidence. So your gradebook should look like so. If I'm going too quick, please pause your video. Use this this Excel document that I sent to you, I gave to you guys on that colored sheet as a reference too. I'm just making sure mine mirrors this. And make sure you press Save Changes. Alright, so first thing that we did, we made sure our 4-point scale was up to date. Now I'm going to show you how to copy your settings into your other classes. Make sure this house score, or the 3 categories of house score, however many you have, Kylene had more than one, is weighted at 0, and make sure this scale right here with the star is at the 4-point. I tried to check everybody's, but I don't think I did. So make sure those 2 things are there. Now we're going to go to copy our settings, and I'm going to copy these settings into my Math 8 classes because I have 2 Math 8 classes, and I'm just going to press copy, and we're done. They're copied there. We're good to go. Alright, so the second thing is I showed you how to copy your settings, and the last thing I want to show you how to do is rename your courses so that they're the appropriate names that we've talked about in our past meetings. Okay, so you can see that I messed around with my names here just to see if I could. Go ahead and go to this course options drop down. Go to Edit Info. Remember, you want to name it 8, the class, the grade that it is, 8th. I'm going to name this Math 8 because it's my Math 8 class, a key. And we're done. Save changes. Alright, now I have my first Math 8 class updated. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the second one. Edit Info. 8th. Math. Oh, I'm supposed to put grade. Go back and put grade on the list. Grade. I have to go back to my first one. Math 8. Key. Alright. Save. Alright, gotta go back to my first one. 8th grade. Need to edit that. Alright, and that's how you edit the information. So make sure you go through and do those 3 things this week so that your gradebook's ready to go, 2, your gradebook's ready to go in all of your classes and you don't have to redo it for all your classes, and 3, that your name's titled right. Alright, thanks guys. Have a good night.